Hi guys, we will see how to create an equipment in SAP PM. Before creating any equipment, we must ensure required master data is available in hand. While creating an equipment, some fields are mandatory and some fields are recommended. Mandatory fields are required to create the equipment and recommended fields for enhancing the monitoring, maintenance reporting and its lifecycle management. Recommended data can be updated later using IE02 code, but it is best to maintain as much as possible during the creation time only. In this session, we will review each field and best practices for creating a reliable equipment master. In this screen, we can see the prerequisites information and its purpose and the status of its details. So we will see the prerequisites, which is mandatory for creating the equipment: maintenance plant, planning plant, equipment category, main work center, planner group, and authorization will be the mandatory information which we must have prior to creating an equipment. And other fields which is comes under recommended and optional is not compulsory, and this data is used for monitoring equipment in effective way. And we can edit and add up this information after creating equipment also by using the T code of IE02. So we will see how to create an equipment by using the SAP, and it is the home screen of the SAP. So for creating an equipment is by using the T code of IE01, and equipment field will be an empty, and we need to just select equipment category here. The equipment which I am trying to create will fall under the category of mission, so that I am selecting it as a missions. So in case if your equipment will comes under any production missions or vehicles or test construction machinery, you need to select you need to choose this equipment category as per your need and your application. So I'm just choosing it as emissions here. And equipment description, you need to update it as manual mode only here. So I'm just typing it as a 45 kilowatt ABB VFD, and 45 kilowatt might not be the standardized, but I'm just giving it as an example only. Object type, since I'm trying to create the equipment for VFD, and my object also will be comes under VFD. It is already configured. In case if you don't find the suitable object type for your equipment, you need to configure the object in SPRO configuration. So I'm just choosing it as a VFD. Authorization group is 0013. It's already defined, which means electrical. So you can reconfigure it by using SPRO configuration. Wait, in case if you know the exact weight, you can update here. I am just giving it as an approximate value, weight and dimensions. Inventory number also I am giving it as approximate. And if you want exact information, you can get this information from your purchaser. Startup date I am giving it as today. Acquisition value is 1,35,000. This one also I am giving it as approximate. And the value is in INR, of course. Acquisition date, today's date. Manufacturer, and my equipment manufacturer is ABB. Model number, you can find all this information in equipment nameplate, part number, serial number, everything you can find on equipment nameplate. India, manufacturing number and month. That's it. And general data we have completed. And next tab is location. And maintenance plant is mandatory. I am creating this equipment for plant 1710, and locations is already defined in this plant. Plant selection is 101. The location, I am just going to install this equipment So I'm going to install this equipment in compressor house. That's why I'm just select it as a location compressor one. And plant section is engineering. And work center also defined in my plan. In case if you don't know the work center, you just simply type here your plan and enter on your work center. And what are all the available work centers will pop up here in your corresponding plant. It's taking some time. And these are all the available work center under 1710 plant. So you can select any work center where you exactly want to install this equipment. So I'm selecting it as work center 002. That's it. Location field also we have finished. Then organization tab. Business area is mandatory one. Since it is already assigned for my plant, company code, I'm just giving it is cost center. Cost center also assigned. WBS element and WBS element and this cost center will be decided by the FICO, and they will create it, and we can use it in PM module. And planner group is it's already created B1, which is represented as electrical, and work center plant. Then structure. If you know the information, you can update it here, or else it is not mandatory. Real estate. And apart from this, here one more field will come which is very important, and that is a warranty, which is not available here currently. I need to configure it, and we can see the configuration in next videos. That warranty fields, yeah, use it for helping the equipment monitoring, and which are all the equipments is having the warranty coverage, and it will helpful during the refurbishment process also. So it's always suggested to maintain this warranty field also. So with this information, we are proceeding to save our equipment by just clicking save button. So our equipment is created with the 5000093 number. So by displaying your equipment by using IA03, we can see the created equipment IA03. So the last saved equipment number is automatically comes here. So here you can see the equipment information. Whatever the information you have given and updated in IE01, you can display here. It will display here. And in case if you want any changes, you can do the necessary changes by using the T code of IE02. So here you can update whatever the changes you need. Thanks for watching.